Imagine for a second the world without ghetto, trashy, piece of shit people. Just imagine what this place would be. I'm fully convinced that us humans are the scum of the fucking earth. That's not me, but I'm part of the human race. And we are single-handedly fucking this world up. We came to this world to fuck it up. We are gonna burn it to shit. It's us. We are. Ghetto trashy people just need to fucking die. A slow, painful death. Burn, drown, get the fuck off of Earth. Leave.